Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about AB Flo Capsule, coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Lupin Ltd. AB Flo Capsule. Uses. AB Flo Capsule is used in the treatment of asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, also known as COPD, and bronchitis. It helps improve breathing by relieving airway congestion and supporting easier airflow. Benefits. In the treatment of bronchitis, AB Flo Capsule helps relieve chest congestion and wheezing. It works by clearing congestion and relaxing the airways, making breathing more comfortable. Side effects. Like all medicines, AB Flo Capsule may cause side effects in some individuals. Commonly reported side effects include diarrhea, constipation, heartburn, loss of appetite, rash, itching, drowsiness, red spots or bumps, breathing problems, increased white blood cell count, abdominal distension, esophageal bleeding, nasal inflammation, nausea, vomiting, dizziness, and abdominal discomfort. If any of these side effects persist or worsen, medical advice should be sought. How to use. Take AB Flo Capsule exactly in the dose and duration advised by your doctor. It should be taken with or after food. How it works. AB Flo Capsule is a mucolytic and bronchodilator. It works by relaxing the muscles of the airways while also thinning and loosening mucus. This makes it easier to breathe.